Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. With all your love and support, we have reached 60,000 subscribers and this is all because of you. Without your consistent love and support, it wouldn't have been possible for me to reach here. So heartiest thanks to each and everyone who are connected to my channel and who are learning from my channel. As I have already mentioned in my previous video that I really want to celebrate this special moment with you all. So we have planned a special giveaway this time. To participate in this giveaway, you need to check out that video, Dhaga Song Guitar Lesson. But still, let me tell you again that what you have to do to participate in this special giveaway. The tutorial which I have uploaded on the song Dhaga, आपको वो गाना अच्छे से सीखना है, उसके chords prepare करने हैं और एक short cover Instagram पे post करना है and don't forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is dhingraji, DHINGRAJII. You will get the link in the description box. Also, I have mentioned some best practices to record your video on the basis of which मैं top 5 videos को repost करूँगी on my Instagram handle और उन्हीं top 5 videos में से top 3 को special giveaways दिए जाएंगे and today I am here to announce the prizes for that special giveaway. The best practices which you can adopt to record your video on the basis of which मैं top 5 videos select करूँगी and I'll repost it on my Instagram handle. The first point which you need to take care of is that the duration of your video should not exceed 1 minute. The maximum time limit of the video should be 1 minute. Now the second point you need to take care of is if you have a collar mic like this, you can use a collar mic to record your video for a better sound quality, but if not, then you can just switch off your fan and record a video. उससे भी काफ़ी clear आएगी आपकी voice. Now the third point is about your setup, about your frame. आपका फेस प्रॉपरली दिखना चाहिए, आपका फ्रेटबोर्ड अच्छे से दिखना चाहिए एंड योर राइट हैंड एज वेल, ताकि मुझे कॉर्ड शिफ्टिंग एंड स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न दोनों अच्छे से दिखे. द वे आई डू एट द एंड ऑफ द ट्यूटोरियल, जब मैं कवर करती हूँ पूरे सॉन्ग का, तो उसके अंदर पूरा फ्रेम आता है जिसके अंदर आपको गिटार की कॉर्ड्स भी दिखती हैं, मेरा राइट हैंड भी दिखता है. नाउ द फोर्थ थिंग इज़ दैट आपके फेस पे प्रॉपर लाइटिंग होनी चाहिए एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज़ कि आपको बस मुखड़े की रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है, ओनली द स्टार्टिंग पार्ट, ओनली द वर्ड्स 1, पूरे सॉन्ग की नहीं करनी है, अंतरा आप स्किप भी कर सकते हो. Now let me tell you about the exciting prizes which I have shortlisted for this special giveaway and here are few. I'll select top 5 videos and out of those top 3 को special giveaways दिए जाएंगे. So I'll start with top 3 first. तो जो भी third position पे होगा he or she will get these guitar care products. One is this guitar detailer, this. Then the second one is this guitar wax. And the third one is this lemon oil, which you really require to clean your guitars frequently because guitars also do require a lot of maintenance. I really hope that this will be useful to maintain your guitars on a regular basis and the steps are also written on this कि आपको step 1 ये use करना है, then step 2 ये use करना है. It's written here, see. So this is the step 1, this is the step 2 and this is you can use in the step 3. This is generally used to clean the strings, ताकि आपकी जो strings हैं वो rust ना हो. So time to time you can use these products to give a good maintenance to your guitars. Now let's come on to the second position prize. For the second position I've shortlisted this, the string set EJ11 by D'Addario. I really think that string sets are a basic requirement क्योंकि after every 6 months you should change the strings of your guitar. इतना frequently तो हमें change करना ही चाहिए, otherwise strings rust हो जाती हैं. If you are using a good set of strings तो आपको उतना frequently change नहीं करना पड़ेगा, but at least after 6 months do change the strings of your guitar. And now I am really excited to announce the winner prize, which is the first prize, and this includes again a string set EJ16 by D'Addario and a string pro winder and cutter. This is really a useful thing. This is a string pro winder and cutter. You can use it whenever you change the guitar strings. Using this you can loosen up the keys of your guitar. You don't have to do it again and again with your hand or fingers. This is a string winder. तो जब भी आप कीज़ को ऐसे घुमाते हो ना अपने हाथ से, so you can use this part to do that. You can easily wind it by rotating this like this. See, it rotates like this. तो आप इसको ऐसे रोटेट करोगे तो आपकी जो कीज़ हैं वो लूज़ हो जाएंगी और स्ट्रिंग अपने आप निकल आएगी. Now the second thing which I really like about this is this string cutter. जब भी आप नई स्ट्रिंग इंसर्ट करते हो तो थोड़ा सा पार्ट एक्स्ट्रा रह जाता है स्ट्रिंग्स का नियर द कीज़, तो आप उसको कट कर सकते हो यूजिंग दिस. यू कैन ईजिली कट इट ऑफ. And the most struggling part about changing the strings is the bridge pins. Bridge pins हाथ से नहीं निकल पाती हैं. Coin से भी अगर हम try करते हैं तो it's really hard to do that. So you can easily, आप इसको use करके this part, आप इसको use करके उसके अंदर ऐसे insert करो, bridge pin पे अच्छे से stick करो and just pull it off. So all the three things are really useful, so that's why I've kept it in the winner position. If anyone of you wants to buy it, the String Pro Winder or the strings or the guitar care products, I'll drop the links in the description box. I have bought it from Amazon, so you will easily get it from there. So this was pretty much it about the giveaways. Now start practicing, learn the song Dhaga from my previous video. I'll drop the link in the description box. Watch the full tutorial, learn it, prepare it and post it on your Instagram handle as soon as possible. Within a week you have to post it because after 1 week I'll be announcing the results. So start preparing and uploading the videos on your Instagram handle and don't forget to tag me. I'm reminding you again. And if you have any queries related to this giveaway, you can ask me on Instagram handle, which is dhingraji. The link is there in the description box. Again, many thanks to all my subscribers, to each and every one of you. I'll see you soon. You all take care. Bye. Love you all.
Memories die out too hard. But we were trying